Let me guys show you my most favorite used products, bringing them into my 2025 year. So confused to collect like all of them because there are few left which I will include in my different video, but this is like my most used products every single day in my makeup routine. So let's just get started. It's gonna be really long video, so stick around. Let's start with the foundation. So I have one from the House Lab. This foundation, it's very skin light and you can definitely build this up in everyday kind of a routine. You will not be getting bored with this, so I really like it. The second one is this Maybelline Skin Tint. This is 24-hour skin tint. I love this one because it has a vitamin C as well, so you're not harming your skin, and it's very light. Next I would recommend, it's from Fenty. I love this stick. It's very compact, and the coverage it gives you, it's like very sheer and very skin, like your skin can breathe when you apply this stick, and I love that so much. So this is like, these three are my top used foundation, skin tint, skin light foundation, you can say. These are my top most favorite. Next are these two bronzer sticks, and why I'm calling them bronzer, because these are brown tones and these are warm tones. Contour are more like gray tones and cool tones. So these two sticks I would prefer. This one is really affordable. This is from LYS Beauty. I love this shade. This is in the shade called Harmony, No Limits Harmony. And the second one I am bringing this into my 2025, which is Good Energy by Rare Beauty. These two shades are perfect for my skin and love them both. So these are my two favorite that is coming with me in 2025. Next one is these three mascaras. One is from Fenty, the another one is from Huda, and this one is from L'Oreal. These, like, there are three different ranges, and these all of three are really good. They are just, I don't know how to tell you. You can already see the reviews about this, and these are my top favorite, which I am bringing them into my 2025. Next is the blush category, and in the blush category I have many more, but these are my most used and favorite products. One is from She Glam. I love this color. This is in the shade called On Point. It's just a very Barbie kind of a pink shade. The second one is from Danessa Myricks. I love this color as well. It is called Prima Donna, and it's just so beautiful. Like the color, you can see yourself. This is very pretty shade. And the next one is also like, the another one is from Rare Beauty, the Happy color. I can't find it in my vanity, so yeah, that one is also included in this. So you can see the shade. I love this one. This is called She's Vibrant, and I don't know, I can't live without these blushes. These are my everyday kind of everyday used products, so I can't live without them. So I'm asking them to come with me in 2025. Let's talk about the powder now, like the loose powder, and these are my two favorite loose powders. One is from ELF. I love. I have used it like entirely. I have already finished two of them, and this is very affordable. The second one is Huda Beauty, and like everybody know about this product and they know how good it is, and I'm not the only one who is talking about this. So this is my, like, these two are my most favorite. Definitely asking them to come with me in 2025. Next one in the category is the highlighter, and I cannot live without the highlighter. One is from Rare Beauty. I love this highlighter. It's very light. It doesn't highlight your pores or any texture on your skin. If you are blending this highlighter mindfully, if you are just applying too much, it's gonna definitely highlight that. But if you are applying like blush and then powder and then you're applying highlighter, you just have to blend it into your skin, and it's just so good. So I love this one. The second one is this one. It's from Jaclyn Hill. I cannot tell you guys how good this highlighter is, and I don't know, I went to state and I saw this highlighter in Ulta, and I don't know how to tell you guys, but I just instantly bought this, and since then I'm using this highlighter constantly. I don't know if they are still selling it, but I think Jaclyn line, like Jaclyn makeup line, is not that bad, and this was so good. And the third one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this brand so much. The reason being, I have their multiple palettes, like eyeshadow palettes. I have their eyebrow gel, which I'm using I think from many years, and this is the next highlighter that I am bringing this into my 2025 journey, and I love these products so much. Next one is the concealer. I only own one of the concealer. It's from Huda Beauty. I have from Elf as well. I have from Maybelline. I have used it, but this is the only concealer that I'm not saying that they were not good, but this is like something I going more often to. This concealer gives you really nice coverage, and I don't know, it just like this bottle is already empty to buy the another one, and yeah, so this is so good and can't stop using them. Next one is my glosses. I cannot live without the lip balm or glosses. So one is from Laneige. I have been using this product constantly every single night before my bedtime routine, and this is like magic onto your lips. It just so thick and it just moisturize your lips so beautifully, and in the morning you are just like fresh lips, I think. So this is so good. This is from Laneige, and the next one is this Fenty cream lip gloss. It's in the shade called Fenty Glow 02. This is my most favorite shade. I can show you. So good. Look at this, just so beautiful on your lip. I love it. The next one is from Say Beauty. This is in the shade called Play. I love this Barbie kind of a pink shade. It's so good. And these are my three lip glosses, lip balm that I'm bringing them into my 2025. Next are these eyebrow products that I'm bringing them into my 2025. One is this Kosa's eyebrow gel. It just holds my eyebrow. My eyebrows are really stubborn and they don't stick on place, and if I'm using this product, my eyebrows are not moving anywhere throughout the day. This is so good. I don't know people talk about this or not, but I really like this product, and I'm just carrying this into my 2025 year. The next one is, I cannot live without this product. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and like everybody can stop using this, but I am still sticking on this, and it's been with me, I think I cannot even remember. It's been I think 4 or 5 years, and I'm still using this. You can see it has a lot of products. I mean, how much you can use it, like this is insane. They are giving so much product in this, and it's just lasting me 4 to 5 years now, and I cannot stop using them. So this is my most favorite use. Last one is the setting spray, and I cannot live without this setting spray. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know what to say, but like I haven't tried many of them, but this is the one, like I have tried the MAC one, that is also really good, but this one is, I don't know, this has something different, and it just makes your makeup so good and just blends everything into your skin and just looks so good after you spray onto your, even if you don't have any makeup, you can just spray it before your makeup as well. Like it's just so good. I mean the fragrance of this spray just so good. So these are my favorite, most used products that I'm bringing and that I'm requesting them to come with me in 2025. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to follow my page. Bye.